That's my friend, and he got a lot of snakes, like a whole lot of snakes. You want to put one on the neck, baby? Put it on him. Put it on him neck. Put it on him neck, cause them too Freddy. I look like my bow fist split off. You afraid of him? Come, put it on your neck. Come, put it on your neck. Don't be afraid. Put it on your neck. Put it on your neck. Don't be afraid. Why you gotta be afraid? I'm not afraid anymore. Hold it to me. Put it on my neck again. I want you. Hold it to me. Hold it to me. Don't get the hands in the way. Right? Go back. Yeah, you see it? I'm not afraid. Which one you have to put on my neck? Put it on my neck again.
We press the red, right?
No, it's on already. You don't have to do anything. See the little red light's already on. You don't have to do anything. See, it's on. Move for this one because I want it like you want to bite me. See? I have it on my neck. It feels like a dead penis, like your penis dead, and it just hang down. And it feel like the balls them soft. It don't feel right. It feel like a dead penis around my neck. Guys, you know you're using Viagra. You all need to stop using so much Viagra. This thing is curled up around my neck. Come, because I feel like if I try to squeeze off my neck. But anyway, pat him. Anyway, guys, Viagra, this feel like you need Viagra. It just lie down on my neck like a big old dead piece of flesh. Anyway, baby. Jamaica, big up on yourself. Lord of your mercy upon my soul. You ever walk through valley and shadow of death? I shall fear that you might take out the breast implant. You might take out the breast implant. You feel the water in there, but how water is Lord. Anyway, you like him? Turn around, baby. You like him, baby?
I don't like steak.
Why you don't like steak? Boy, people big up on yourself and God is good and the mercy in there forever. Come on, baby. The next big one, yeah. And this is my friend and my baby, and I love him. So big up to anybody on YouTube. See me, I'm a friend. You like it? Yeah. Nice? Love you. Look at this guy. We're riding a bicycle. Come ride for the bicycle, man. Ride up on the tail. Ride up on the tail bicycle. Like this. Like, yeah. Start the engine, yeah. Start the engine, yeah. What that said? Big up on yourself. Thank you, baby. God bless you.